So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my life.
Our life.
Our life.
Our life.
Carson, my little brother's back. And he just acquired a Gen 1 Raptor. What year is this?
2012.
2012, how many miles?
120.
120.
Yeah,
okay.
120.
It's in the shop. And some of you might see something that's a little different. Some of you Raptor fans on this side. What do you see that's different? Besides the bumper and the lights and all the yeah. If you can spot what we're doing today. We've already got one side done and the other side's coming.
Yeah, so what we did was we did the 2019-2020 live valve Raptor shocks with Gen 1 springs and Gen 1 hats. If any of you have a Gen 1 and have looked at Gen 2 stuff, there's a few forums out there of people that have done the Gen 2 shocks and Gen 1 springs on their Gen 1s. And I decided, hey, I'm gonna try it. So a lot of people will do it with like the 16 or the 17 and 18 Gen 2 shocks. But I found a good deal on some live valves. Just got some goodies in the mail today. This is from Off-Road Alliance and manufactured by Evil Manufacturing. And these are my new travel limiting straps. So we got some new limiting straps right here. And then I looked everywhere and I could not find a good location to install these limiting straps on the lower control arms. Evil Manufacturing actually has Raptor specific limiting straps. They're 13-inch straps and it comes with all the hardware. And it comes up with these Raptor specific brackets that are pretty sweet. These are for the lower control arms. And these bolt where the shock bolts up. So I'll show you a little bit later where they bolt up. It also comes with these brackets that need to be welded in. And it comes with two brackets. So these two brackets are the upper section of the strap. And then these, so these will weld to the frame. And then these will bolt to the lower control arms. And then the straps will bolt to those two. So pretty excited about this. This will help it so that those Gen 2 shocks don't overextend the Gen 1 suspension. Make it so that I don't have any CV axle issues, don't ruin any of the upper or lower control arm bushings. So pretty excited about this. They are a little pricey. They're about 200 bucks for this kit, but well worth it in my opinion, especially since no one really makes a strap for this. And I mean, to be honest, 200 bucks to save a CV axle or having to replace control arms or bushings is totally worth it to me. Got some parts. Another box came today. It's from Rock Auto. And these should be the upper mounts for the shock. There's the new upper mount. So that will just mount up to the frame, to the suspension bucket. And if you don't know about Raptors, these tend to go bad and it creates a clunking noise and it just kind of gets annoying. So I figure since I'm doing the Gen 2 stuff, I'll get new ones. And these are for a Gen 1, so they should bolt up straight up to the Gen 1. And the shock or the spring will fit right in here and everything will bolt right in. So here we have the set of Gen 1 shocks and the set of Gen 2 19 and 20 shocks off of a 19 and 20 Raptor. It has a live valve. So the cool thing is RPG makes what they call a live valve delete kit. It costs about 200 bucks. And what it does is it takes these live valves that usually go in the shock right here. It takes those out and it replaces it with these plugs. And then you also get these Schrader valves that make it so that you can adjust the nitrogen level in your shocks, which makes it really nice. If you can see here, these already have the Gen 1 shock on it, and then I just have to switch out the top hats to the Gen 1 shock top hats. But as you can tell, the front shock are slightly longer on the newer body, so which means that they have more of a drop as well. The back are a little bit longer as well, so they're about, I don't know, about an inch longer, but they should bolt right in and they shouldn't change much with respect to how far the truck drops. Anyway, so I'm gonna get these on the truck and we'll go from there.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna put that bracket, and the easiest way is just if you have a clamp, something to put it up there, fit it up good, and then he's got this little plastic clamp, just so we can tack that in there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. So tack it in there a little bit, and then we'll tack it, and then we'll move the clamp, and then we can actually do a good weld. Makes it a little easier. I still got it.
That's not a half bad weld.
Oh, well.
I didn't even know he welded. That was actually a pretty good weld.
This video, share with your Raptor friends. If this helps someone out, great. That's what we want to do. If you have any questions, email me, hit me up on my Instagram, DM me there. That's the fastest way to get a hold of us if you have any questions. But we've got one side done so far. It's looking fly.
Shout out to Off-Road Alliance. They got me these limiting straps so that I didn't destroy any of the CV axles or anything, because the live valves do drop a little bit more than the Gen 1 shocks. So shout out to them for getting those to me. These are manufactured by Evil Manufacturing, so they do an awesome job. Only Raptor limiting straps that I've been able to find. They weld in up, yeah, and then these down here just bolt into the lower control arms. So live valves are just an RPG live valve delete kit, Gen 1 shock or Gen 1 springs with Gen 1 bump stops and Gen 1 hats.
Pretty easy so far. It's been about 5 hours so far.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy. 5 hours into this, including welding this side up. So not too crazily bad, but like I said, we're replacing them because his old ones are just leaking like a sieve.
The awesome thing about this is the rears,
which we've already got in.
Yeah, they just bolt right in. They look awesome. So
sweet.
And I've driven on those and they drive amazing. So
cool. The other cool part about this is we're gonna have a Gen 2 ride on a Gen 1 Raptor. So the cool part is I've got a Gen 2 that we can kind of compare them with after we're done. So But anyway, hang in there, guys. We'll get this done. And if you have any questions or anything, make sure you drop them in the comments. Like, subscribe, throw this on your buddies' Raptor forums, on Facebook, whatever. Hopefully this helps someone out. It's been kind of interesting and fun to do. So if there's something we can do to help, if someone wants to do this conversion, hit us up. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the footage, and we'll see you a little bit later. All right, guys, so we got the passenger side all done. I think Carson grabbed a few things, but she's all in there, nice and tight like. Whew. Tell you what, I am spent. We'll see, we got to torque the lug nuts.
So that side only took us about an hour and a half.
Yeah, we had about an hour and a half on that side. The other side, what, 5 hours?
Yeah.
Anyway, just trying to figure out how to do it is all that it is. Anyway, I'm happy we are pretty much done. We just got to drop it. He's got the torque wrench, torque lug nuts, got the flip socket right there.
Where the heck is the socket?
I'm carrying it around. So he's going to drop it down the rest of the way. It should lift it, I would say 3 inches.
I don't know.
Kind of had the Raptor front end. Hey, they're waiting.
Well, I got to torque it. Well, it's not all the way down.
Everybody's waiting, Carson.
Well,
Oh, you're going to make them wait?
like, 10 seconds.
All right. Whoa, falling, slipping on some stuff.
Man down.
All the way around. Hey, didn't your coat say Discount Tire? Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Discount Tire. We need some sponsors. Or we need a sponsorship, Discount Tire. Anyone at Discount Tire wants to sponsor us, let us know.
All right, there you go.
We already got work shirts. Holy cow. It's way higher. It's like 4 or 5 inches higher. Did you measure before?
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh, we have it on film what the measurement was. I'll have to go back and find it. That's yeah, that's bad.
That's substantial.
That is huge.
That's like a high perch on the Gen 1 shocks.
Dude.
I wasn't expecting it to be.
Well, it'll probably settle a little bit
It'll settle.
because we just dropped it. No, I don't want to jump on. I'm too tired. I'm moving. Ugh. Dude, that's awesome. It looks so much better. I was gonna tell you that your truck before looked kind of goofy, kind of with the front end squat that some of the Raptors have.
Well, it doesn't help you have a 1,000-pound push bar.
That is true. That thing is stout. All right, guys, that's gonna end it for us. We finished our victory. We will do a comparison coming up in the next video or two. So anyway, thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks to
1 o'clock.
Thanks to your buddy Jeff.
Jeff at Off-Road Alliance.
Yeah, thanks to him for the hookup on the straps. If anybody has any questions, again, throw it down in the comments or hit me up on my Instagram, 50 Motors, all one word. Instagram, you DM me. I'm always on Instagram. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.